Hi guys, another package from eBay. Don't know if we can read that. 10 pairs, 150mm M&F, male and female, 2-pin JST connector plugs for RC LiPo battery, part 1. Part 1. Value $1.998 US, eh? From Joe Wang. Okay, let's open that up then. There we go. I want these so that I can put them directly onto the hairdryer motors that I'm using, electric motors, in my radio controlled recovery boat, rescue recovery boat. Just thought it'd be a neater way of connecting the motors up if we use the right connectors. So that's what that's for.